going to show you how easily you can get the perfect engine bay using this product, SCHOLL Concepts Boost engine dressing. It's very easy to apply and it has a very long-lasting effect. We're just spraying SCHOLL Concepts Boost evenly over the engine, all the plastic parts. And we're gonna let it air dry for about 30 to 40 minutes and then we're gonna see the result of it. As we can see, the SCHOLL Concept Boost engine dressing now is completely dry, and not only did it leave a very nice deep shiny gloss, but it will also protect the rubber and plastic parts for weeks.